In the last session, we have learned how to develop the quadratic trend. In this session, we shall take a problem number 13 on the same. Let's say, fetch a parabolic trend, quadratic, parabolic or second degree, means same for the following. Years are given, production is given, so we have copied the data first, years and the y values. Now what we want here is x, because we have learned normal equation which says we want x, summation of x, x square, x cube and the total of x raised to 4 along with xy, x square y. That is what is shown in the normal equations. Let's see 1 minute. What are our normal equations first? The normal equations are, if you remember the first one, NA plus B into summation x plus C into summation x square is equal to summation y is the first one. Then the second normal equation, A into summation x, B into summation x square, C into summation x cube is equal to summation xy, the second normal equation. The last one, A into summation x square plus B into summation x cube, C into summation x raised to 4, that is x square y. So what all we require, the columns are, we require x square, x cube, x raised to 4, xy and x square y. Those columns we have prepared. So when you write down the normal equations, we understand which columns we require. First, we'll start with the x values. The total of x has to be 0. Check out how many years are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So middlemost we'll take it as 0. 3 minus values, 3 plus values. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. 1, 2 and 3. When even number is not to be taken, we have taken 2, which is the even number. When it is not to be taken? If we have even number of years given, instead of 7, if we have 6 years, 8 years, 10 years, in that case we don't include the even number. Now, x square, square it. 9, this is 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. Total is going to be 28. Now, let's cube, x cube. X cube means what? Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 into minus 3. What we get is minus 27. Minus 2 cube, minus 8. Minus 1, 0. Cube of 1, cube of 2, cube of plus 3. And the total of x cube will also be 0. Always. X cube is also going to be 0. Now x raised to 4. Minus 3, you have to multiply 4 times. Minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 into minus 3. What you get is minus 27 into minus 3. What you get is 81 plus 81. Then 2 multiply 4 times. 16, then 1, then 0, then 1. Again 2 will be 16 and 3 will be 81. When you total this, x raised to 4. What we get is 196. Now the next, xy will multiply x into y, minus 3 into plus 8, minus 24, minus 2 into 10, minus 20, 1 into 11, minus 11, 0 into 12, 0, 1 into 14 is 14, then 2 into 15 is 30. 3 into 17 is 51. And when you total this, the total what we get is 40. X square y, the last column. X square into y, x square into y. So 9 into 8, 72. Then it's going to be 4 into 10, 40. Then 1 into 11, 11. 0 into 12, 0. 1 into 14 is 14. Then it's going to be 4 into 15, 60. and then it is 9 into 17, 153, and the total comes to 350. Quickly we'll substitute this in normal equations. Here, n is 7 after leaving a line, 7a plus b into summation x is 0, 0b, x square 28, so that is 28c is equal to summation y, total of y values is 87. We got the first equation. Let us see the second equation. A into summation x, 0a, plus b into summation x square, 28b, plus c into x cube, 0, 0c is equal to xy total is 40. Then, last, a into x square, 28, a, plus x cube, 0, b, x raised to 4, 196c is equal to summation x square y, 350. Now, once you finish substituting this, we want the value of the constant a, b and c. As I said in the last session, first we'll go for b value, because see, listen to me neatly. Can we use the first equation to find the value of b? No, because the value of b is going to be 0 there. Can we use the third equation to find the value of b? No, because the value of b is again 0. So there is only one equation wherein we can find out the value of b. That is what? The second one, wherein b has some value. So we'll use the second equation every time. We'll use the second equation and get the value of b. And then we'll see how to find the value of c and a. So now the next will be, after leaving a line, the value of constant b by using equation 2. Let us see what is equation 2. 0a plus 28b, equation 2, plus 0c is equal to 40. 0 into a or 0 into c is going to be 0. So I will reduce the equation to 28b is equal to 40. So now b is equal to 40 divided by 28, which is nothing but 1.425 something we get. We round up as 1.43 is the b value. Now we should find out the value of the remaining constant. Let's see, either a or either c. To find out the value of c, which equation we can make use of? Can we make use second equation to find the value of c? No, because the value of c is 0. Then the question is, can you use first equation? Yes, because c has some value. Can we use a third equation? Yes. So we can use two equations, first and third, to find the value of c. When we can use two equations, we have to solve it by using simultaneous equation method. I repeat, first and third equation can be used. So we cannot say we'll use only first, not the third one. No. When we have the option that we can use both the equations, first and the third one, we'll use both. But how to solve the two equations? Always by using the simultaneous equation method. Let's see the value of constant c, how to find out. So constant c by using equations 1 and 3 under simultaneous equation method. First we'll copy the equations as they are. The first and the third one. What it says? 7a plus 0b plus 28c is equal to 87 is our equation 1. Then equation 3, that is 28a plus 0b plus 196c is equal to 350 is equation 3. We are going to find the value of constant c. When we can find the value of constant c? When we can cancel a and b. When a and b is cancelled with the same numbers, then only we can find the value of c. b is 0, leave it out. Can we cancel a? 7a and 28a. When we can cancel c? simultaneous equation is by changing the signs, we have to add it. But when we can cancel the a value? We can cancel the a value when the numbers are same. Numbers are same means what? It is either 7a, 7a, either 50a, 50a, 100a, 100a. The numbers are not same. So now we have to make the number same by multiplying the equations in such a way that the a value should be same. Now the question is how to multiply. Very simple technique. What is the number of a here in the first equation? 7. And what is the number here? 28. Interchange the numbers and multiply. That means what? You multiply 7 with the number of the second equation 28 and multiply the second equation with 7. So that's going to be 28 into 7 or 7 into 28. Answer will be same. A value will be cancelled. I repeat. What numbers we have? Interchange and multiply. Suppose the equation was something like this, say. If it was 3a plus something and 4a plus something, what we'll do? We'll multiply this by 4 and this by 3. That's all. Interchange the numbers and multiply that. That is what I am doing now. Let us see the multiplication of it. After leaving a line, this sentence has to be written. By multiplying equation 1 by what? The value of next equation 28 and equation 3 by the value of the first equation, that is 7. Let us multiply and write it. 28 into 7, 196a, 0b as it is. But multiply with the full equation. So 28 into 28, the square of that, it will be 784c is equal to 28 into 87, 2, 4, 3, 6. Once this is over, multiply now next. 7 into 28a, 196a plus 0b plus 7 into 196. What we get is 1372c. 7 into 350 is 2450. Let us solve it. Let us add it by changing the signs. Changing the signs means what? Plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. Here it's 196a plus minus 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 minus. 196a plus and minus cancelled. B will be cancelled. This is what remains C. When you solve this, we get the C value. Let's see. 784 minus 1372. What we get is minus 588C. When you minus this, what you get is minus 14. So C is equal to minus 14 divided by minus 58. Minus will be cancelled. 14 upon 588. What answer we get is 0.02380. Take 4 digits or take 2 digits. I have taken 4 because the very first digit after decimal is 0. So 0, 2 won't work. So let there be 4 digits. We got the C value. We got B, we got C. Now we can find out the value of A. A value. Can you use the first equation? Yes. Can you use the third equation? Yes. Can you use the second one? No. We can use first or third. But see, again don't go for simultaneous equation method. Because we know the values of other constants. B and C we know. So what is to be done for A is take up either first or third, put up the value of B and C, solve it, we get the answer. So either first or third, answer will be same. We'll take the first equation. Even you develop the habit to take the first equation as the numbers will be less. The multiplications will be done quickly. Let's see. After leaving a line, the value of constant A by using equation 1. First we'll write down the equation as it is, that is 7a plus 0b plus 28c is equal to 87. Now we'll put up the values of b and c in it. Therefore 7a plus 0 into the b value 1.43 plus 28 into the c value 0.0238 is equal to 87. So 7a plus, when you multiply, you get a 0, plus 28, when you multiply with 0.0238, the answer what we get is 0.6664 is equal to 87. Now this will transfer. It becomes minus. 0, leave it. So what remains? 7a is equal to 87 minus 0.6664. When you minus it, 7a is equal to 86.3336. So next step, a is equal to 86.336. When you transfer 7, which is multiplied, it becomes divide by. And when you divide, we get the final answer. That is going to be 12.33. That's all with the value of a. Once you get the three constants, we have to fit a parabolic train. So here, the parabolic train is, what is the trained equation? Y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. We'll put up the values. A 12.33 plus b is 1.43x plus c 0.0238x square. That's all with the fitting of parabolic train. If they are asked to estimate the value, in this put the value of x and its square and solve it. If they are asked the train values below this, go on solving. So this is how it is to be done now. So we'll talk about quadratic trained. I repeat, first the data, the table with x, x square, x cube and so on. Then normal equations, solve b using equation 2, find c by using 1 and 3, and then b and c values substitute in equation 1. What we get is the value of a, and then fit the equation. So in this session, we have completed problem number 13 on a parabolic train. In the next session, we shall take a problem number 14 on the same. Thank you.